प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज का विषय है एडवर्ब क्लॉज का प्रयोग करके कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाना पार्ट 2। डू नॉट ड्रिंक डर्टी वाटर, यू विल फॉल इल। कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, इफ यू ड्रिंक डर्टी वाटर यू विल फॉल इल। डू नॉट मेक ए नॉइज, यू विल बी punished। कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, इफ यू मेक ए नॉइज you will be punished। We respect him, he is our teacher। Complex sentence, we respect him because he is our teacher। You are strong, I am equally strong। Complex sentence, I am as strong as you are। The lion is large, the dog is smaller। Complex sentence, the dog is smaller than the lion। He is intelligent, his sister is equally intelligent। Complex sentence, he is as intelligent as his sister। I am quite tired, I cannot work anymore। Complex sentence, I am so tired that I cannot work anymore। Learn your lessons, you will pass your examination। If you learn your lessons, you will pass your examination। Work day and night, you want to pass। Complex sentence, if you want to pass, work day and night। Anuradha studies regularly, she must pass। Complex sentence, Anuradha must pass because she studies regularly। He is very poor, he cannot afford a car। Complex sentence, he is so poor that he cannot afford a car। Walk carefully, you may fall down। Complex sentence, walk carefully lest you should fall down। Karan has failed in the examination, the reason is his carelessness। Karan has failed in the final examination because he is careless। He is poor, he is not dishonest। Although he is poor, he is not dishonest। He ran so quickly, he soon overtook his father। He ran so quickly that he soon overtook his father। Work hard, you will get success। If you work hard, you will get success। Yeah, you will get success if you work hard। Passengers pushed one another, they wanted to enter the compartment। Passengers pushed one another because they wanted to enter the compartment। It is very simple, a child can understand it। Complex sentence, it is so simple that a child can understand it। He was ill, he could not attend the function। He could not attend the function because he was ill। The train had left, they reached the station। The train had left before they reached the station। We want to study, we aspire to get a good job। We want to study because we aspire to get a good job। He went to a confectionery shop, he wanted to buy some biscuits। Complex sentence, he went to a confectionery shop because he wanted to buy some biscuits। He came to me, I was writing an essay। He came to me when I was writing an essay। अगला वाक्य है, he worked hard, he wanted to get first division in the examination। Complex sentence, he worked hard because he wanted to get first division in the examination। He lives at a place, nobody lives there। Complex sentence, he lives at a place where nobody lives। अगला वाक्य है, work hard, then you will succeed। Complex sentence, if you work hard, you will succeed। He worked hard, he failed in the examination। Though he worked hard, he failed in the examination। You shall have to marry, you are already 30 years old। You shall have to marry because you are already 30 years old। You must work harder, you will not pass। Complex sentence. You will not pass unless you work harder. Next sentence. The bell rang, they all came at once. When the bell rang, they all came up at once. The problem was very difficult. Nobody could find out its solution. Nobody could find out its solution because the problem was very difficult. The tea is very hot. I cannot drink it. Complex sentence. I cannot drink the tea because it is very hot. I reached the station. The train had already left. Complex sentence. The train had already left before I reached the station. Arvind is rich. No other man is equally rich in the village. Complex sentence. Arvind is richer than any other man in the village. Harsh is a lazy boy. The other boys in the class are not equally lazy. Complex sentence. Harsh is lazier than any other boy in the class. Work hard, you will pass. Complex sentence. If you work hard, you will pass. Mohan failed, he did not work. Mohan failed because he did not work. अगला वाक्य है Mohan worked hard, he failed. Complex sentence. Although Mohan worked hard, he failed. The thief saw the police, he disappeared. The thief disappeared when he saw the police. He heard the news of my success, he informed me. Complex sentence. When he heard the news of my success, he informed me. You must rise early, you will improve your health. Complex sentence. If you rise early, you will improve your health. Do you want to see the people of India? Then you must go to Delhi. Complex sentence. If you want to see the people of India, you must go to Delhi. She reached Agra. It was raining then. Complex sentence. It was raining when she reached Agra. अगला वाक्य है I was quite disgusted. I could hardly conceal my disgust. Complex sentence. I was so disgusted that I could hardly conceal my disgust. He was quite tired. He could hardly stand. Complex sentence. He was so tired that he could hardly stand. He worked very hard this year. He wanted to top the list of successful candidates. Complex sentence. He worked very hard this year because he wanted to top the list of successful candidates. The thief died. The police beat him mercilessly. Complex sentence. The thief died because the police beat him mercilessly. She wants to become a famous lady. She is devoting her time to social work. Complex sentence. She is devoting her time to social work because she wants to become a famous lady. He is a clever boy. No other boy in the class is more clever. Complex sentence. He is cleverer than any other boy in the class. He may give me leave. He may not give me leave. I shall go back to my parents in either case. Complex sentence. Whether he gives me leave or not, I shall go back to my parents in either case. It was very stuffy last night. I could not sleep. Complex sentence. I could not sleep because it was very stuffy last night. He found out his mistake. He was then very sorry. When he found out his mistake, he was very sorry. अगला वाक्य है He was taken seriously ill. He could not complete his work. Complex sentence. He could not complete his work because he was taken seriously ill. Last वाक्य है He learned English very rapidly. He astonished his teacher by this. He astonished his teacher because he learned English very rapidly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.